without the power button I possess. Let's match their money with our own finesse. Why should we ever have to settle for less? Why does this message always have to be SOS, 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 SOS. Yeah. Hey everybody! Welcome back to the show! Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Natasha, and this right here is Not a BOOZHOO. So please welcome Not a BOOZHOO! Hey, thank you very much. Hey everybody, welcome back to the show. And today on the podcast, our Ojibwe word of the day. I got no idea. Let me think. How about BIBOON? Winter. BIBOON. It is winter in Ojibwe. You got anything you want to say about winter? Let me think. Yeah. You know, if you're a snowbird, you're one of those people from Minnesota who goes down in the south. Why don't you just stay there? What? Nah, just kidding. I mean, it just kind of, you know, Minnesota has the most beautiful summers in the world. And, you know, I kind of feel like those of us who hang around through the cold times, you know, we sort of earn our summers. And you got the fair weather fans. Oh, I love Minnesota, but only in the summer? I mean, come on. Nah, who cares? So yeah, BIBOON, winter. And what can I say about winter? You know, winter is a time that we tell stories. And you know, I think a lot of people make too much out of that. They're like, oh, don't tell these stories. It's summer. You're supposed to save the stories for the winter. Right. But you know why we did that? Well, you know, there was a time before the internet, and well, you had to save the stories for the long months where you spend a lot of time inside. That's all it is. Oh yeah, I suppose that makes sense. Yeah. So anyway, yeah, that's all I really have. Okay, I've rambled on long enough. Well, hey, I just want to say before we close out that I really appreciate all the support we're getting from our patron supporters on the Patreon page, and for the tips we get, even you know, $1. I don't care. Send a quarter if you like. You know when I was I'm not gonna get into that. So yeah, I just want to say miigwech to everyone for watching. And yeah. You got anything you want to add? No, let's get out of here. Okay. Well, hey, thank you for watching. BOOZHOO, Not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Not a BOOZHOO. And my name is Natasha. And I will see you again. Igawaba min. Minawa. Awa. Nah.